Hello everyone, welcome to Nuwbo Electronics. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Nuwbo N11 headset. So let's get unboxing. So first we're going to need to take it out of the box. And this is, I like the packaging, everything inside the box is in bubble wrap except for the user guide at the bottom. So you'll have the headphones and a cord in there, and you'll have the user guide at the bottom of the box. Because, well, that got a little bent, but we're just going to put that to the side for now. And what you're going to need to do is take out the headphones out of the plastic wrap, and there'll be this little package. This is in case you want to connect the headset to a PC, and so you got this cable plugged to the end of the headphones, and these two ends go into, this is the microphone end, and this is the headphone end. So we're going to put that to the side for now, and here are the actual headphones. You have the mic over here, and you got the mic there. You got this is the left ear cuff, and then here's the back view. It stretches pretty far, and it has pretty good twisting on the top. So, and then you go over here to the right ear cuff. There's nothing special on this one, and you get this little note that's just saying the model and everything on the right ear cuff. And so you have this, and now the ear cuff. Ear cuffs are very soft and they're huge. These are very big ear cuffs, and so you press on them and they immediately pop back. There's none of those ones that you wear them for a long time and then they just stay there. It bounces right back. And then the top, why I really like these headphones, because of the top. It's very buoyant, you could say. It's very, when you put them on, you feel good. And it's not like you have that top band rubbing into your head anymore. You can barely feel the top band. Right now, you're only going to feel the ear cuffs. So, it's very nice. I also like the mic because you can turn it to whichever angle you want it. So you can turn it up in case your mouth is a little bit higher, or you can turn it down. Or if you just don't want to talk into it anymore, put it back there. And so, that's the headphones. On the strands, you have a microphone on-off button, and then you have a volume adjuster. And these headphones produce amazing quality. These are very good budget headphones. These are super nice. They're just good. And I'll give you guys let me plug in my headset, and I'll give you guys a quick mic test. So this is the mic test that I was talking about. I think it's very good. Right now I'm going to tap the mic. That might be annoying to some of you, but I just tapped it. You can tell that the mic's on. And in the back here, I have the box. So what you're going to see on the box is just some of the things that it has, or what you can use it for. And then here are the technical and product features on the headphones. Well, the headset. And then on this side, it tells you, oh, here's inline control. The PC extension cable is just covered by this code, and then you have the plug. So, and then on the bottom, it's just black, and on the top, you just have the logo. So, that's really it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video.